Hello, welcome back to my channel Tips and Tricks part 26. Today we are going to do very interesting topic, picture puzzle. See, can you see this picture? Apples are here, apple and banana. So the value of one apple is 10 units. So what is the value of two apples? 10 plus 10, 20. And here you have one apple and one banana. So you know the value of apple, it is 10. 10 plus 1 banana is given 15. So what is the value of banana? Either you can do count forward from 10 up till 15. So it will come to 5. Or you can do 15 minus 10. So it will come to 5. So the value of banana is 5. Look at the second question. We have stars here, stars and hearts. The value of one star is 7. So what will be the value of two stars? 7 plus 7, 14. Now here we have one star and one heart. It gives you 11. So now you should know the value of heart. Then only you can do this third part. So star and heart gives you 11. So what will be the value of two hearts? So the value of, if we calculate the value of heart from this part, then 11 minus 7, it will give you 4. So heart will be equal to 4. So two hearts will give you 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So the answer is 8. Look at the third question. We have 3 flowers, 1, 2, 3. And the value of one flower is equal to 10. So what will be the value of 3 flowers? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now look here. Here one leaf and one flower is equal to 18. You know the value of flower is 10. So what will be the value of leaf? It will be 18 minus 10. It will be 8. So here we have found out the value of leaf. So now we have to do it. We can do this addition now. We can write down the value of leaf. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So what will be the answer? 16. Isn't it quick? Thank you for watching my channel. Follow my channel for more tips and tricks.